What does it mean? Can you speak in English? People are watching worldwide. People are watching worldwide. People who are watching, they know English.
I know English, but if you don't know Uganda,
people who are watching, they know English only.
Uganda.
Yes, Ugandan also speak English, right?
No, speak Uganda. Have you heard?
Yes, I know Ugandan. They speak Luganda. I know that.
Are you from Uganda?
No. I'm from South Sudan.
South Sudan.
Yes, but people who watch, they also know English.
Also,
people watch worldwide here in YouTube.
Uganda, I don't know Swahili. Unajua Swahili? Unajua Swahili?
I don't know Swahili. I can speak English.
Unajua French?
No.
Now if I give 1,000, I will talk in English.
You speak English?
Yeah, if I give 1,000.
What will you address here?
This is the camera, you know. But
if I give you 1,000, what will you address? What will you tell?
I will tell you, but this is Uganda. We have to see president. First bring 1,000. Don't.
I will give you 1,000. You have 10?
Bring 1,000.
You have 10? You give me 10? I'll give you. You give 1K. You give the change. I'll give you. Change. I'll bring you the change.
Give me 1K.
You bring my
English.
What will you address? Very important to Uganda here.
You must give money. I don't
I will give you money, but what will you tell? What? Okay, I understand.
1K euro.
But what will you address? Something important to Uganda.
Sina chenja bagamba kuba mikolo gya Baganda.
Uganda. We are going to address
because Uganda.
I know it's Uganda.
Yeah.
What will you address? Very important to Uganda.
You first give us.
I'll give. Tell me what topic will you talk? What topic will you talk about?
Give us.
What are you saying?
I am asking them to speak in English. I'm from South Sudan.
Okay. What are you asking? Asking me what you're asking.
They are asking me to give them 1K each. They will talk to me in English about Uganda.
So are you giving us money because we are speaking English?
No. I want someone to address something important.
Like what?
Regarding Uganda, about the event, what is going on today?
Today is Independence.
They are speaking in Lugandans.
Okay, today is Independence.
Okay.
10th October, right? That is when we got our independence.
I know that one.
We got the independence in 1962 October.
Okay.
10th. Today is when? Lero meka. Tamanyi Luganda. Lero meka. But when I'm speaking, you have to give the money you promised me. I'll share with them.
Yes, I'll give. But what were you trying to speak? Can you address to her in Uganda?
What you're asking me, I'm already giving you the answer.
No. Wait.
Which is taking
No, not about the event. I know about the event. I know
but
everything.
you have to pay. We have to.
I will pay. Don't worry about money. What
we love?
Ask him. He was speaking something in Luganda. What was it about?
I don't want to talk with you. First give money. I don't want to with you. If anybody know my English. Yes.
I'm telling him. He said I have to give him money. Then he will talk to me. Ask him what will he talk to me about? What will he talk to me about? What will you talk to me?
He wants 1,000.
Okay.
Give him money.
Then what will he talk to me about?
He will tell you after giving him money. His problem is 1,000.
Give me change. I will give you 1,000. Yes, I will give.
Give the money to him. He's going to tell you the problem on camera.
You have.
Nanya change.
Come. Okay. Wait. 1,000. Okay. You give him 1,000. Okay.
I'm going to give him.
He will give you. Now come. You give him 1,000. So I gave him the money. No, I'm talking to him only. No, it's okay. Wait. What's it? Ask him. No. He will talk. will talk. He will talk. Now where is he? Let him talk. Let him talk. Where is he? I want to hear from him.
He's going to come.
Okay. We talk with Madam. Okay, guys. They were asking me to pay them, then they will talk to me in Uganda. I mean in English. I don't know what they were trying to talk about. Yeah, most of them they don't know they don't know the local. They don't know how to speak English.
We not speak English.
Yeah, he knows how to speak English. It's not about speaking English. It's about addressing. Potato. Yeah, you know sweet potato is English. It's about addressing.
They gotta understand.
Yeah, why did he run? Where is he? He just disappeared, right? Where is he?
Don't come back.
He left like that. Okay. He just left like that, guys. So you good? Anyway, he left. I thought he will speak to me. That's why I don't want to give money at the first point, guys. But those people, it's crazy. This is crazy, man. But anyway, I was expecting him to speak something important, because from the first beginning, the way they were talking, I felt like they have really something important to address to the people of Uganda. But now they just go on with the money. It's okay, that's fine. That's fine, no problem with that. So anyway, the event is still going on, guys. And it's good now. The sun is down. It's not sunny anymore. Yeah. I'm from South Sudan.
This one,
yeah.
This is going to explain to you.
Can you just tell me a little bit about
this? Actually, this is a new faith which is nominated from Uganda called the Faith of Unity.
Okay.
The leader is Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka. Now we are the followers of Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka, a new faith called the Faith of Unity in Uganda, and it is originated in Kibale, Kagadi district, that side of Bunyoro side. Yes. Now the music, the one we are playing, this one is our cultural music dance or our cultural songs, so and we use these cultural instruments to play our music.
Okay.
Yes.
So today you guys are going to perform on the stage?
Yes, we can perform if we are being given the platform. We can. No problem, we can.
Okay.
Yeah, but if the platform is not being given to us, we will not perform.
Okay.
Actually.
So
yes.
You are talking of this guy, right?
This one, even they have, yes,
Okay.
he has raised even the hands there. He's there.
Okay.
This is not the guy as you were saying.
Okay.
But he is Omukama Ruhanga of Obusobozi Bisaka. He is God, the real God.
Okay.
Yes, he has come to unite us.
Okay. He
Yeah.
was like prophet.
He's not like a prophet.
God?
Because he's a real God.
Okay.
Yeah, he's God.
Okay.
So for us, we are the choir. We are choir of Hoima.
Okay.
We come from Hoima.
Hoima.
Yes.
It's a state or a district? Is it a place
It is
here?
the district.
District, okay.
And we are a choir of Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi
Okay.
Bisaka.
Okay.
Omukama Ruhanga Obusobozi Bisaka.
Okay.
So for us, we play the traditional music.
Okay.
Yeah. These are fiddles as you have seen.
Okay. Thank you so much.